Motley Patriot here. So after a long day, I'm thinking to myself, hey, I could use something to eat. And you know what? I've been to Carrabba's before. Let's find out what the deal is. I've never been disappointed. It's an Italian grill. So let's take a look. So it's always been clean. It's always been decent. We've come here a few times. It's funny. We thought it was pricey in the beginning, and then everything else got pricey, and then we realized it was a good deal. So yeah, well, check this out. Benvenuto, Carrabba's, Italian grill, proprietario. So, oh, the proprietor. That's Italian for proprietor. Well, look here. Carrabba's Italian Grill founders, Johnny Carrabba, was born to own a restaurant after many years of working in a local Houston restaurant owned by members of his family. Hey, the family. You don't mess with the family. You cook the food right, huh? Anyway, enough of that nonsense. Um, he resigned as general manager of his Uncle Tony. Uncle Tony. He worked for Tony. How do you resign from Uncle Tony except in a box? Anyway, I'm not going there. Anyway, he resigned from Uncle Tony's Blue Oyster Cafe and founded Carrabba's in 1986 with Damien Bandola. Oh, boy. Didn't know they had so many Italians in Houston. Anyway, so we called him up. We said we were coming. I think there's a meal waiting for us. Let's go see. Buongiorno. Ah, check this out. Looks like it's waiting for us. So the word on the street is Carrabba's being a family restaurant, even though they went corporate or went public, they still maintain, and this is what I hear from people, and this has been my experience, they still maintain a home cooked meal. Not a lot of stuff in boxes. Their soups are made on site. The pasta's good. I've always enjoyed the pasta. The salad looks fresh and all. So, well, Motley Patriot will let you know. Thank you. Ciao. Ciao, Bella.